Hello, I'm Mayor Susan Seaman. Before today's COVID-19 address, I'd like to update you about some important changes at City Hall. Dean Lauder is on administrative leave, and effective immediately, Pam Powell, City Clerk, will assume the role of Interim City Manager. Ms. Powell has served in a leadership capacity within our local government for many years and is uniquely qualified to help our community navigate the remaining COVID-19 response, as well as lead the staff in their efforts to safely reopen our economy in the weeks ahead. While we're talking about City Hall, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the many essential personnel and public servants that work for the city. Their dedication, collaboration, swift actions, and leadership over the past few weeks have helped educate, inform, and protect our entire city under unique and very challenging circumstances. For our staff, please know that we truly appreciate all you do. Now for our COVID-19 update. I've mentioned in my previous communications, the City of Eureka is working diligently to support the health and well-being of our citizens, our community, and our economy during this pandemic. Today, I'd like to share some good news. While national headlines have lamented the number of small businesses who were unable to receive assistance through the Federal Payroll Protection Program in the first round of funding, I'm pleased to report that more than 528 local businesses did receive COVID-related loans and other financial assistance through the close of last week. The PPP program, as well as other local bridge loans, have brought a combined total of more than $95.4 million into our community. These funds, in combination with the innovation and ingenuity of our many local business owners and the service of our talented local workforce, are all factors that will help our local economy rebound from COVID-19 more quickly. It's also worth noting that the number only includes financial institutions who've reported Humboldt-specific numbers: AEDC, REDEC, Coast Central Credit Union, Redwood Capital Bank, and Umpqua Bank. Banks like Tri-Counties, U.S. Bank, Wells Fargo, and others have been making loans but could not report on Humboldt County-specific allocations, so we know the combined impact was much higher than we were even able to measure and report. Just as importantly, 917 local businesses have been assisted through the guidance, advising, and triage services provided by the Office of Emergency Services Business Task Force and partners like the North Coast SBDC. I want to thank everyone who is working hard to provide services and support to our business community. And while we're thanking people who are helping support our business community and essential workforce, I want to give recognition to our childcare providers. While it's refreshing to see society provide long overdue praise for the medical workers, utility personnel, and many other essential service providers that keep our community running, it's important to recognize that being an essential worker has many layers of stress. For those who have children who need care when they go back to work, this moment is particularly challenging. I'd like to make sure you know about the essential worker child care subsidies available to you, and I want to encourage you to apply. Governor Newsom recently signed executive orders to ensure prioritization and support for children of essential infrastructure workers, as well as those in vulnerable populations. There are resources available to help you access child care services during the state's COVID-19 response. To learn more about our local child care options and to apply for subsidies, please visit changingtidesfs.org, our local resource and referral agency. Finally, as you likely now know, in Humboldt County, wearing facial coverings has been mandatory since last week. We are all required to wear a facial covering before entering any indoor facility, any enclosed space, and any outdoor space where you can't maintain a distance of 6 feet from others. The only exception is for your own place of residence, which is why my addresses will be coming from my home rather than City Hall until the order is lifted. Now and in the future, facial coverings are a tool we can use to lower COVID-19 transmission rates. Let's embrace this change and work together to do everything we can to limit the spread of COVID-19 in the City of Eureka and beyond. Again, I'm Mayor Susan Seaman, and I appreciate your attention to this message. Be safe, stay healthy, be patient with yourself, kind to your neighbors and family. We'll talk again soon.